We'll wait for another 5 minutes and we'll start.
Hey Smith, can you hear me?
Wait, 1 second.
Uh,
Are you hearing me?
what?
Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was making some setup for the microphone.
Mm-hmm. Tell me, Pesra.
Smith, bro, like if you have any doubt, you can ask me, bro. Like any doubts regarding trading, like psychology stuff, technical stuff, and anything. Bro, can you hear me, bro? Smith, bro.
Yeah, I guess you, I guess you.
Yeah. Like what do you do, bro, Smith?
Well, I'm new to trading, so I've been trying these days learning on YouTube and all that. But I'm not
Okay,
really fond of it. I'm not really fond of it.
okay.
Yeah.
How far have you studied, bro? Like what all the topics I've covered so far and all these things.
I mean, it's just the fundamentals, what fair value gaps, uh, what the blocks and all those simple stuff.
Okay, so
But
you came up with ICT, right? Like by now
yeah,
you came across ICT.
I usually watch ICT on YouTube.
Okay. You watch him directly, right? You don't go to some other mentors like who teach ICT.
Mostly, yeah, it's ICT, and then there's these guys called Smart Break or something. It's also on
Okay,
YouTube.
Justin Verland is good, bro. Justin Verland. There's a guy called Justin Verland. He's good.
Justin who?
Justin Verland. That's good.
Valen. Hold on, let me check on YouTube.
Justin Verland. Okay. Okay, you know what is market structure, bro? Like if you want, I can teach you like basic things. This is just a normal session, bro. Not some serious stuff around here. Like if you want anything, I can teach you and all this. Or else, if you have any doubts regarding trading, I can also clear that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So there's one thing that really disturbs me when it comes to like hold on you. Let's say you've analyzed the market and you know that this
I
fair
don't hear
value
you,
gap
bro. I
is.
don't hear you.
I'm not loud or what's the problem?
No. I can't hear you clearly, bro. Like your mic is like pretty much disturbed or something.
Oh, wait a second. Yeah, I say that there's usually this thing that happens. Like, let's say you've studied and you know this fair value gap might be visited in a moment, yeah, and then you would think that
One
the
sec, one
price
sec,
will
one
get
sec, one sec,
reflected.
brother. One sec. Let me put my earphones on, bro. Bro. Yes, bro.
Alright.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah, let's say you thought this fair value gap or order block is gonna reflect the price, eh? But still
Okay.
goes down. So how do you usually tell
I
that
get
this?
your point. I get your point, bro. Like, see, this is the problem with most ICT traders, bro. They see every fair value gaps as like point of rejection or price will
Yeah,
reverse from there, bro. Like,
yeah, yeah.
the main thing in ICT is like you have to have a context, bro. Like, where is the market going towards on a higher time frame, and then you can use all those concepts like order blocks, fair value gaps, breakup block,
Mm-hmm.
block, and so on. So you have to build context first, and then the entry model. See, bro, like anyone can spot a FEG, bro. Anyone can spot a order block, bro. But
Yeah.
everyone cannot frame a bias, bro. Everyone cannot frame a context. See, building context is the first thing. Like if you know where market is going on a higher time frame, you can easily
Mm.
build context on a low time frame, bro. See, anyone can spot a fair value gap, right? Like
Yeah, easily.
even a 3 or 4 year old can spot a fair value gap. Like it's not ICT. ICT is about understanding the context. You'll
Yeah.
get it. You just started trading, right?
So with the higher time frame, which one do you usually use? The 1 hour, 4 hour, or do you use daily
It depends.
time
It
frame?
depends. But it depends. Like, see, if I analyze the market on a 1 day time frame, okay,
Yeah.
and I see the market is bullish in a 1 day time frame, and then I
Mm.
drop down to 1 minute, it is senseless. Like there is too much gap between 1 day and 1 second. See,
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to have a context. Like, if I analyze the market on one day time frame, I'll drop down to a 1 hour time frame to look for entries.
Yeah.
If I analyze the market on 15 minutes time frame, I'll drop down to 1 minute time frame. Like, it depends on the context, bro. Like, you trade intraday or you trade swing positions.
Huh?
Like, you want to trade intraday means like you buy and sell within a hour. And
Are you talking about swing trading or what's that?
no. Swing
Yeah.
trading is like where you hold a position for 2 to 3 days, bro.
Yeah.
Like, some
Yeah.
people do swing trading, bro. Some people
Yeah.
like
Yeah, I don't
I
actually like that. I don't actually like that's why I usually trade on gold. Cause gold is really quick. You put a trade right now, you expect
see,
you
bro.
expect results in
That's the
five to
thing,
ten
bro.
minutes.
Many
Yeah.
people don't have the temperament to hold a position for 3 days. Even I don't have a temperament to hold a position for 3 days, 4 days, bro. Like, like everyone has a different perspective towards the market rate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to figure that one first. Like, what is your temperament? Like, if you're okay on holding a position for 2 to 3 days, you can of course go for swing trading. Or if
I
you
don't.
want to, or if you want something to do fast, okay. I want to be in and out of the market in minutes or hours. So
Yeah.
you can go for short-term trading and all these things.
Yeah. That's what I usually do.
Yeah,
That short
everyone.
term.
That's what everyone used to do, bro. No one can't hold a position for 3 days or so, bro. That is the
Yeah.
dumbest thing people do.
Yeah.
Do you have any other doubts, brother?
And then again, what time? What sessions did you usually trade on the US? I mean, the New York session, London session.
Yeah. It
What
depends
most
on
of
the
the
asset class, bro. If I'm trading gold, okay, like
yeah.
you trade gold or you trade what, bro? You trade what asset class?
Yeah, I usually I trade on gold and then sometimes on Euro and USD. So gold,
Okay. You see,
I
gold is
usually
a
wait for the new. Yeah,
no. Gold is a versatile asset, bro. Like,
yeah, it's very volatile. Yeah.
no. I'm not telling volatile. I'm telling versatile, bro.
Oh
Versatile
yeah.
means very different compared to like other forex pairs because gold has the potential to move in all three sessions. Like, gold can give a move in Asia, and gold can give a move in London, and gold can also give a move in New York. But if you go to
Mm-hmm.
Euro USD and some other forex currency pairs, like most of the FX pairs will consolidate in Asia. See,
It's
because why?
interesting.
Because actually, have you ever thought about why forex pairs consolidate in Asia? You know the
No,
same reason, right?
I've not looked into that. I haven't. I usually just concentrated on US session and London session, which is usually like 5 p.m. here, 5 p.m. the US session, the New York session. That's when I usually trade on gold.
Okay. Bro, like if you're trading gold predominantly, you can look for entries anytime, bro. Like anytime means you can look for entry at Asian Open, which is 21 EST, Eastern Standard Time, okay? Or else you can look for an entry in London session. The problem with
Mm.
London session is like most times you will be in college during London session, okay? So for you, New York or Asia will be more comfortable. Like Indian time, Asian session opens at morning 6:30. So we'll be awake at 6:30 morning, most probably. Or else you can trade London, or else you can take New York too. You can trade New York too.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, bro.
Okay, let me show you my chart and let me show you the entries I took today. Okay. If you have any doubt, like anyone can ask. Like every name kelra yara any doubt on the kel.
Okay.
Okay. My screen is visible, bro.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, wait. Let's show the entries today first of all. I'll start with the higher time frame views, bro. Okay. So
Okay.
coming into the day, okay. This is what I was seeing coming into the day. Because like this candle was not printed, okay, so I just took it off. This is what the market was looking coming into the day. So what, like in your perspective, the market is bullish or bearish, bro? In your
Yeah.
perspective. Bro,
That's a 15. Okay, that's in the 1 day time
that's a
frame. Okay.
one day time frame, bro. In your perspective, is the market bullish or bearish?
Yeah, it seems bullish. Yeah.
Bullish, okay. The problem with like, see now gold is an all-time highs, okay. Gold is currently trading at all-time highs. Like
Mm.
gold has never reached this price range, okay. So the problem with being gold in all-time highs is like retail traders, like less informed traders look for shorts because they think gold is in all-time highs. it will fall down. But you know what? Gold is an all-time high. It is always going up, bro. See, historically throughout time, gold has always gone up.
Yeah,
Gold has
okay.
never.
Always bullish.
It's not always bullish, but gold has never gone into a phase where it's terribly bearish. See, gold has always been bullish. So people looking for shorts in gold on a higher time frame is literally dumb. Okay. So coming into this day, I was looking at the chart. I was saying this thing. Okay.
Mm.
What I was saying. I was saying this is how I interrupt the markets. Okay.
Okay.
Markets is reacting from this fair value. Wait, let me just remove all this stuff. Or else I will go for another gold. Okay, fix it. So coming into the day, I'm seeing the gold is reacting from a fair value gap. You can see one sec, bro. I'll make it more visible for you. Gold is reacting from this fair value gap. Can you see this fair value gap, bro?
Yeah, I
This
see
is a
it.
fair value gap. Okay.
Uh,
On one day, seeing this picture, I'm heavily bullish. Okay.
mhm.
On one day, so I'm dropping down to 4 hour. Like one days, like I'm dropping down one step lower. I'm dropping. Okay.
Yeah.
On 4 hour, I can see clear targets, bro. See, because if the market is bullish, where the market is going
Mm-hmm.
towards, the market is going towards these highs or these. One second.
Yeah.
One second. Market is going to these highs. So coming into the day, I have appropriate targets. So see, market is either going to these highs, and if market breaks these highs, market is going to these highs. That's my idea. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And what am I seeing here?
On a 1 hour time frame.
And the 1 hour time frame, what I'm seeing, I can clearly see market has liquidated these lows.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know what is liquidation, bro?
Liquidation is this low price goes back to collect liquidity on the
Yeah,
FDs and all that on the
yeah.
fair value.
See, see, when people are seeing this in real time, okay,
Hmm.
people are like, okay, market has broken these lows, so the market
Yeah.
has turned bearish. So
Bearish.
we'll
Yeah.
sell. So we'll sell.
Yeah.
But you look in reality, what happens, see, bro?
It gets
The
reflected.
market, market just goes on higher, higher, higher. That's it, bro. This is what
Yeah.
happens every time, bro. See, there is a
Yeah.
term called liquidity hunt and liquidity run, bro. Wait, I'll show you this thing. This term called liquidity hunt.
So let me ask one question. In what
Hmm.
scenarios would the price actually go below that liquidity? I mean,
If the
FD.
context is bearish, bro, like I'll show you. Wait.
Oh, if the
What
context is
happened
bad.
here is wait. This is a liquidity
Uh,
run. Okay. What happened here is liquidity hunt. I'll show you
yeah.
what is a liquidity hunt. See, this is a liquidity hunt because the
Uh,
market is in a clear
bullish movement.
market is clearly bullish. Okay. In
Yeah.
that scenario, market is breaking a loss.
Yeah.
And you see, when is these markets breaking the low? See, in trading, how much price is important? Equally, time is also important. You see, when
Uh,
is this breaking the low? New York Open.
yeah. New York
This is
open.
in UTC -4, bro. So this is in New York time. Okay, I use New York time for reference. So market exactly breaks these lows in 7 o'clock EST, Eastern Standard
Yeah.
Time.
Yeah.
So we have time in place, price in place, and we also have a context. The context is the market is bullish in entirely. So what we are gonna do here, like less informed traders will look for sells over here. Like they look for sells in this order block. You asked me, right? Actually, this is an order block. Why
Mm-hmm.
did this order block fail? Wait, let me take all these things. This is an order block, bro. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you're getting my point, right?
Yeah, I'm
This
getting
is
it.
an order block. Why did this order block fail? Because this order block was against the order flow. The order flow is like the order flow is bullish. The
Mm-hmm.
market is entirely going up. So all bearish order blocks will fail. So you have to frame a context first. What we are
Yeah.
doing here is framing a context. In reality, what people should do is like people should look for buys over here in this area. If you go look for buys over here, I drop down to 5 minutes, okay? Because 1 minute is like pretty advanced and volatile and all these things. But people get stopped out in 1 minute very easily. So I drop down to
Yeah.
5 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
In this area, I dropped on 5 minutes. And where are we? Wait, let me put this indicator on. So New York Open is around here, 7 o'clock. Okay, 7.
Mm.
Let me zoom in. Wait. New York Opens around here. Wait, let me draw a line also. If you want. Okay. After this, what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna look for buys in the market. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. If I want to buy this market, where can I buy this market, bro? Like we know all these things. We know the market has liquidated these lows. All these things. Okay, bro. From where can I buy this market? If I really want to buy this market,
If you really want to buy the market, yeah.
from where can I buy it? Like from where can I buy it? What I mean is like where should I buy the market, bro? See, bro, I know the market is bullish, okay, but I can't go blindly and buy over here. See, if I go blindly and buy over here and put my
Mm.
stop loss behind these lows, what happens is I get stopped out. Yeah, the direction is correct and all these things is correct, but I get stopped out because I didn't enter the market at the correct time. You get my
Mm.
point, right? So I'm asking
Yeah.
you, where can I buy this market? Like when can I buy this market, bro?
Perhaps a bit lower.
A bit lower.
Yeah.
If I buy it a bit lower, where will I place my stop loss, bro? So, okay, let's say I buy it over here. Okay, where will I
Mm.
place the stop loss, or where should I place the stop loss?
Your stop loss should be way below than the previous low.
Actually, when I see the market in real time, this is what I'll be seeing. Okay,
Uh,
I'll be seeing this thing over here. I'm not seeing any other things. Okay, I'll also
okay.
remove this drawing for you. I know the market has liquidated these lows. Wait,
Yeah.
take the color also. I know the market has liquidated these lows. Okay,
Yeah.
and the market is going to turn bullish from here. Like market is overall bearish from now, and from now market is turning bullish. Okay, so where should I buy the market, or when should I buy the market?
Let me say
You know
in
about breakout structure, right?
let me see in terms of price.
Okay,
Can,
take it,
can you
take it, take
can
it.
you scroll your screen to the right? Let me see the previous low.
Previous low. Okay, wait. I'll turn it to 15-minute time frame. It'll be easy for you. Okay,
Oh, okay. Oh,
okay,
that is.
okay.
Uh, so it has completely liquidated here. So I think if you were to buy, you probably have to buy from 3617.
3617.
I think so. Yeah, then your stop loss would be at around 3610 or 11.
Okay, if I buy around 3617, as you say, okay,
Uh,
where should my stop loss go?
yeah, somewhere around 36110 or 111.
Why that much, bro?
Uh, are you saying it's a bit high or a bit low?
No. What I'm
Much.
saying is like if I place a stop loss, it should be logical, okay?
Yeah, okay. The reason I'm
So
saying
what
that
is
is
your
because
logic
it's
behind
because
placing stop loss in 3610?
it's because this candle here has already ticked and has already liquidated all the points down here. So
Okay,
it will
why will I
go
okay.
lower.
Okay,
Yeah.
why shouldn't I place my stop loss over here? Like 3614? Because market has collected liquidity and all these things, okay?
Uh,
Actually see you know about IFVG, bro.
uh-huh.
You know about inversion fair value gaps. Like you know fair
I've
value gaps, right?
not so much. I've just heard of it, but I've not really learned about it.
Okay. I'll show
Uh,
you what is an IFVG first, okay, bro.
uh,
This is a fair value gap, right?
yeah.
This is fair value gap, and this is a fair value gap, correct?
Yeah.
There's a huge fair value gap, okay?
Okay.
Okay, what's an IFVG is like if a fair value gaps get disrespected, that's an IFVG.
Mm, okay.
What I mean is, bro, see here a fair value gap gets disrespected. Wait, I'll show you. This is a fair value gap, right?
Yeah.
If price is truly bullish, what should a price do? Price should respect this fair value gap, correct?
Yeah, it should.
It should respect this fair value gap. In
Uh,
reality, price will see what happens. You see what happened. Price tap this fair value gap and close through it. So this
yeah.
becomes the inversion fair value gap. This
Okay.
acts as you can use this as an entry model, bro. Like you can place entry over here, stop loss behind this recent candle body highs or candle body wicks as per your need. and you
Oh,
can target one
so
smart.
so so when the price has disrespected the FG,
Mm.
it most
It
likely
becomes
to
an
go.
IFVG, bro. Inversion fair value gaps.
So the price will have to go in the opposite direction as the previous.
Of course,
For
bro. See, market only does two things, bro. Either market goes up or markets go down. Rarely the market consolidates. So if the market wants to go up, okay, what will happen? Price will respect this fair value gap.
yeah,
Correct?
it will. Yeah, it should. Yeah.
But in reality, market wants to go down, it seems, okay. So what happened? This fair value gap got disrespected. So what
Mm.
we do is like we can place an entry on the candle body close, okay.
Okay.
And we can put our stops behind like above or below the respective candle, and you can target 1:2. See, this is an easy trade, bro. You can see it play out right in live time also. This trade
So
playing.
so why did you have your ratio as 1:2? Any
Why?
reason why?
You can why 1:2 is because I have a recent point of liquidity over here, bro. See,
Uh,
this is this is a major point of liquidity. So if I target 1:10, let's say, okay, I target 1:4.
uh,
The market will reverse before it going to 1:2
yeah,
because the
before.
market doesn't have the potential to go that low. I know
Yeah,
the market will go to these lows, okay? I know
yeah,
for sure the market will go to these lows. So what I'm doing,
yeah,
I'm placing my target around these lows. And once the market breaks this lows, what I'll do is I'll place my stop loss to break even.
yeah, yeah,
It is why because market can reverse from these lows. Who knows, bro? I don't know. You don't know.
yeah,
Anyone doesn't know what will happen in the market. Okay. So if the market breaks these lows, what we can do is like we can put our stops to break even
mm,
and let price do its work.
yeah,
In this scenario, price has done this work and price has given my target. Okay, this is
yeah,
how
yeah,
you trade, bro. Like how we trade is like we have to have logic behind what we do.
yeah, yeah.
That's it, bro. You have any doubts in what I said? Like what are things?
Um,
Okay, coming to this exam.
probably.
One sec, one sec. I'll show you one last thing and I can ask you doubt. Okay,
Oh,
this is a this is a bearish fair value gap, right?
mm,
This is an FEG. So price has liquidated these lows, correct?
mm-hmm.
And the price has closed, right? So we have another bearish FEG over here. If I have to enter the market, where will I enter the market? I should have entered the market around here. Correct. You can see, bro, or else, wait, I'll just remove this thing, okay? You can see this die. One sec, bro, one sec.
Yeah.
One sec, one sec. I'll make it more clear for you. You can see the IFEG now, bro.
Yeah, yeah, I can see that.
Okay. If you have to enter the market, where should you enter the market? I'll enter the market once this fair value gap closes above. And I'll place my stop loss over here. And I'll target 1:2 or 1:3, like where the recent liquidity is.
Mm-hmm.
But this trade ended up being stopped out. You know why?
No.
Because there was a news.
Oh,
It is 8:30, okay.
during
If
the
I
news.
plan a trade, I should take news into account. This is
Mm,
8:30 New York time. We can see if there is any news in 8:30 New York time. Wait. This is Thursday, right? Thursday's price action, right? 11 September, okay. See, 11 September, we have news at 8:30. See how much news we have, see.
CPI news was okay. Was
All these red folder news are like have significant impact towards gold's price, okay.
yeah.
So what we should do in reality is like we should wait for price to do its thing after news, and we have to take the entry. You get my
Okay.
point, right? Like if I
Yeah.
take the entry before news, like people
Mm,
who don't know about news will take an entry at 8 o'clock itself. All
mm,
the criteria was right. They they saw this liquidity, they saw all these things they took into account, but they
mm.
failed to take news into account. You see what happened? News hit all their stop losses and news went straight to the target.
Yeah, yeah.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me, bro. That's it, bro.
Okay. So also this thing called accumulation.
Mm.
What or mostly what is it?
What is
Or
accumulation?
accumulation. Yeah.
I'll show you. accumulation is when price doesn't have a clear clear narrative, or price does something like going up, going down, and wait, I'll show you accumulation. Wait. Bro, this is accumulation, bro. See, this point of time market was accumulating. See, market didn't go up significantly, market didn't go down significantly. Market was just range bound. It has gone up, came down, gone up, came down, gone up, came down. This is accumulation. I'll show you another accumulation. Wait. See, this is accumulation. This is accumulation. Like what happened during this accumulation is like the people who
Liquid.
want to push the market higher or lower, what they do is they collect liquidity from both sides.
Okay.
Okay. People see this as support and resistance zones. Okay. Like normal traders see this as a resistance zone and this is a support zone. If I come here, I'll buy. If price goes there, I'll sell. What market maker or what institution does is like they collect liquidity on both sides. And on the
Yeah.
right time, they push the market on the side which they intended to. This is accumulation, bro.
Okay.
You know what is manipulation?
Manipulation? Well, not really.
What is manipulation in general terms, bro? Like not in the stock market or like forex market. What is manipulation in general terms?
Manipulation. Let's say there is supposed to be a rule followed. Yeah. So let's say okay, it's like a fake. It makes a fake like. Let's say it was supposed to be berries,
Okay,
and
what
then
is manipulating a girl, bro? Like let's speak something fun. Okay, if you want to manipulate a girl, what will you do, bro?
to manipulate is to convince.
Huh?
It's to convince. Yeah, something of that sort.
Okay, manipulating is like you have to do something, but you have to make it look effortless, bro. That is manipulation. Okay, if I have to manipulate someone, bro, like if I want to do someone, what to say, if I do, like if I want this girl, okay, I want her so badly, okay, I want this chick so bad, okay. What I do is like I manipulate her, I speak lies to her, like I show something, but I do something in behind, okay. That's
Yeah.
manipulation, okay. Like in markets, manipulation happens day in and day out. See what happened here was a manipulation. See, market broke these laws. Wait, I'll show you. What happened here is a manipulation, you see. Market manipulated everyone, see. Market broke these laws. Everybody thought market was going lower. But what happened? Market manipulated everyone, market went straight up. This is manipulation, bro. In market, if you can find manipulation, you can trade easily. Like finding accumulation, finding manipulation, finding distribution, all these things is like
Finding money
build,
must you be in a higher time frame to
No. Not at all, bro. You can also find manipulation in 1 minute. I'll show you an example, okay? In 1 minute, wait. 1 minute manipulation. Where do I go for that? Look here, bro, okay? This is a manipulation, of course. See? Market broke these lows.
Yeah.
Everybody thought this order block would work. Which order block? This order block would work. In reality, what happened? See? Market broke, went down higher. This is a manipulation.
Yeah.
See over here, I'll show you another manipulation. Wait. You see here, okay. Market broke these highs. Everybody thought this fair value gap would work. You asked me, right? Why does some fair value gaps work? Some fair value gaps don't. Everybody thought this fair value gap would work. In reality, what happened? Price went lower.
Yeah.
This is a manipulation. Wait, this is a manipulation. Classic manipulation pattern. See? Market broke these lows and all these things. Everybody thought this fair value gap or this outer block would work. Market went straight up higher. See here. Market broke these highs. Everyone thought market has changed bullish again. You see what happened? Market collected all this liquidity. Market went straight down low. This is manipulation, bro. Like in order to find manipulation, you have to have a context in the market. Without context, you can't find manipulation.
Oh.
Okay, that's manipulation.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
It's like more the real context. I mean, the main context to consider is how is the market going, either bearish or
The
bullish.
main context is lies in the higher time frame, bro, like in 1 hour, 4 hour, okay.
Okay.
And then you drop down to low time frame to find manipulation and all these things, and you enter the market using break of structure, order block, fair value. Like, that's of your wish, bro. Like, if you have to find manipulation, you have to understand the context. The only way to build context is like analyzing the higher time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour. Don't go too high, bro. Weekly, daily, we don't need that, okay. All we need is 1 hour, 4 hour. That's it. Enough.
All right, bro.
Analyze the market in 1 hour, 4 hour. Look for entries in 5 minutes. It's easy, bro. Trading is easy, to be honest. That's it, bro.
All right, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Anything else you can ask? You can ask me in group also, bro.
All right. Okay, cool.
Kevin ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்காடா? கெவின், சுதர்ஷன்,
இன்னைக்கு எடுத்த ட்ரேடு எப்படி எடுத்தேன்னு மட்டும் அப்படியே சொல்லு.
எந்த ட்ரேட்? இன்னைக்கு எடுத்த ட்ரேடா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீ இன்னைக்கு என்ன ட்ரேட் எடுத்த? காலைல எடுத்தியா? காலைல
மார்னிங் எடுத்தோம். 20 வந்து நான் எடுக்கல, சுதர்ஷன் மட்டும் தான் எடுத்தான்.
நீ எடுக்கலையா?
பார்த்தேன், எனக்கு செட் ஆகல.
இது நான் சாயங்காலம் எடுத்த என்ட்ரி 1:5 காட்டுறேன்.
1:5
கொஞ்சம் கிளம்சியாக தான் இருக்கும், இருந்தாலும் காட்டுறேன் நான், ஓகேவா? இது ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் ட்ரேடரா கெவின்? இது வந்து
இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுவோம்.
இங்கிலீஷா? ஓகே, வெயிட். This was a trade I took in evening, okay? Like this indicator basically does things like does mark out all the session and all these things, okay? So when I came down, like I opened my laptop on New York session, okay? So when I looked into New York session, I saw clear SMT divergence. Oh here, wait. Real gold day, wait, நான் அந்த கோல்ட்ல காட்டுறேன். So London lows வந்துட்டு இங்க இருக்கு. Okay, we have London lows over here. So SMT divergence is what there and London lows. Wait. You can clearly see SMT divergence in London lows. See, inge London lows have took down. Silver has took down London lows, but gold has not taken down London lows. So I dropped down to a lower time frame.
Okay.
5 minutes or 1 minute. In reality, I dropped down to 1 minute and I entered in a change in state of delivery, which is around here. Place my trade over here. Stops behind these lows. Went down to target. Here. I'll show you this thing. Went down to target these highs. Okay.
Why that way?
Because here we have equal highs, and this is London high also. So I targeted these highs. That's it.
But you have an intermediate term, right? Before.
Where?
Starting of New York session or London?
India. Over here. Intermediate term high. It's not like price will obviously retrace or reverse from intermediate term high. If the context is to go bullish, price will always break intermediate term highs and go higher. Okay. It's not like obviously price has to react from intermediate term lows and highs. That's it. And also what I did was like once price got to 1:2, I trial my SL to break even, and each swing points actually I trial my SL. Like here I trial my SL over here, and over here I trial my SL and took some partials over here, and then I left on the trade, and the trade stayed, went to TP. This is the first trade I took. Okay, second trade I'll show you. Wait. Actually, this is the second trade I took. First trade I'll show you. First trade was an excellent trade. உனக்கு மேக்ரோஸ் என்ன தெரியுமா கெவின்?
மேக்ரோஸ்
தெரியாதா? சில் அப்ப நான் விட்டுறேன்.
நாஸ்டாக் இல்லையா?
நாஸ்டாக்ல இல்லை, மேக்ரோஸ்ன்றது ஒரு கான்செப்ட். ஓகேவா?
ஓகே ஓகே.
Okay, this second trade was like the last hour of London session. Okay, so after London session, what I saw is like market clearly formed a SMT divergence inside a 1 hour fair value gap, which is around here. See, market has formed an SMT divergence, and market changed the state around here. So what I did was I placed my entry above the change in the state. Simple one is to this is intermediate term high. Right is then confirm. So I placed my targets in ITH and I got 1:1.92 easy trade. Market just went on to my TP. So basically I took 3 trades today. This is 2 trades in gold and 1 trade in Nasdaq. I'll show the Nasdaq trade also. This is like a very simple trade in Nasdaq.
This was a break even, huh?
Break even, TP, straight TP, bro. Straight TP. Actually, TP should be here. But I just broke. Yeah. I just closed my position on 1:4.
You didn't trial your stop loss.
Why should I trial? Because 10 a.m. news was there. 10 a.m. news was there. See, around here news was there. Of course, news will be volatile. I know for sure news will be volatile. So what I did was, I know the market is going up because market gave me an SMT divergence over here, like 8 o'clock candle. This is 8 o'clock lows. Here there was an SMT divergence. And market was behind. See, market was below 2-day open. You know what 2-day open is?
What?
2-day open தெரியுமா?
2-day open.
தெரியாதா? கத்துக்கோ.
Okay,
market
okay.
was below 2-day open. So I entered in SIST. CAST was around here. See, SIST is around here. I entered in SIST 1:4. Easy target. Market just went on to my target. That's it. அவ்வளோதான் 3 ட்ரேடு. நீங்கள் எடுத்த ட்ரேடு காட்டு பார்க்கலாம் கெவின். மார்க்கெட் எடுத்து இது பண்ணி.
எடுத்த ட்ரேட்.
Like everyone show your trades, bro. Bro, you can also show your trades if you want. Smith, bro. Like you can share your screen and show your trades over here. Chennai காட்டு கெவின்.
Actually, I blew 2 of my accounts, so I've not traded for a week now, or probably 2 weeks even.
Have you journal all your trades, bro? Like you journal on and off your journal, like you journal every time?
Well, it's MetaTrader. It's MetaTrader fact, so it's not really that detailed or something.
No, every time you take a trade, you just take a screenshot and journal it, bro. That's it. Easy.
Oh, okay. All right then.
ஆக்சுவலி ஒரே ஒரு ட்ரேட் தான் நான் மார்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஒரு ட்ரேட் தான் இருக்கு இப்போதைக்கு. மியூட் பண்றேன். ஹலோ
பண்ணலடா, இருக்கேன்டா கரெக்டா. ஸ்டீஃபன் எவ்வளவு நேரமா இருக்கான் இங்க கெவின்? ஸ்டீஃபன் எவ்வளவு நேரமா இருக்கான்? இப்பதான் வந்தானா இல்ல?
வந்தாங்க போயிட்டாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஞ்ச நேரம் வந்தாங்க போயிட்டாங்க.
சரி நீ காட்டு.
விசிபிளா இருக்காடா? ஹலோ பேச கேக்குதா இல்லையா? கேல்வினா கேல்வின் கால் பண்ண போயிட்டான்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஸ்டீஃபனுக்கு. Smith.
Yeah, Kevin, what's up?
So, is it useful?
Yeah, it is very useful. Yeah. Long.
Okay. He left. I'll just say about my trade today.
All right.
This was my trade actually.
Done.
Oh, share my screen. என்ன ஹார் இது 3-ஆ? Okay. Yeah. In 1 hour, the 2 o'clock candle swept. No. Wait.
Trading view.
It's a trading view. I think so. Something is given. Else to. Yeah, see over here. Here, there is a sweep, right? In 1 hour. The 2 o'clock candle is swept by 3 o'clock candle. Okay.
Can you turn your screen to landscape?
Landscape.
Yeah, rotate to landscape.
Okay. The 2 o'clock candle was swept by 3 o'clock candle. The same in gold, it was not swept actually. Where is gold? See, this is 2 o'clock candle and this is 3 o'clock candle. Since it given a SMT, I was waiting for a sell. Okay, so I will take my entries in 1 minute.
லேப்டாப்ல காட்ட வேண்டியது என்னடா?
அது ஃபோன்ல தான் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணணும், அப்படியே காட்டிட்டேன். See, here the what to say, the same here the swept has happened, and then I was waiting for a displacement candle or a IFVG. IFVG is my main confirmation. So the market gave IFVG over here with a big candle. So I entered in this candle close. Okay, and I gave 1:2. Actually, 1:2 I gave. This was my stop loss. This was my trade. The market gave within 1 minute to my target. That's it. And, this was my today's trade.
So Calvin,
Yes, bro.
which prompts do you usually use for this CF?
Which platforms do I use? You're asking, bro. I use Quantacle. You know a firm called Quantacle is there, bro. Like primarily, I've used many firms, bro. I've used Maven. I've used Funding Pips. I've used Quantacle. Like my recommendation for gold would be Quantacle, bro, because Quantacle, the spreads are literally zero, bro. If you go to Maven and look in the spreads, okay, it'll be 30, 40, 25, bro.
Yeah.
For gold, I'm telling, bro. Like in Quantacle, the spreads are 0, 5, like rarely 10 or 15, bro. So like Quantacle is good for gold.
Okay. But still, Marvin is convenient, isn't it?
Maven is not, bro. Like even Quantacle is convenient, bro. What makes a difference, like Maven, Quantacle? Like why you're saying like Maven is convenient? Bro? Why?
I just don't know, man. Most people usually use Marvin. That's why I thought, yeah, it could be that convenient and all that.
Bro, every prop firm is convenient, bro, because they make money with us, bro. Like if we buy challenges, they make money end of the day. Every prop firm is convenient, bro. Like no prop firm is like, it's not like this prop firm is not convenient. Every prop firm has a good support. Every prop firm has a Discord team. Okay, so everyone is convenient, bro.
Yeah. I mean, there are those that usually have some shit as rules and all that.
Shit ass rules. Actually, Maven has some shit ass rules, bro. Like
Ah.
compared to Maven, Quantacle has literally no rules, and Quantacle is cheaper too. If you
What's
go for a
what's
5K account in Maven, okay,
what's the name again? You said Quantum or something?
I'll show you. Wait. I'll show you. Wait.
All right.
You can see my screen, bro. You can see my screen, bro.
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay. This is Quantacle, bro. Okay. In Quantacle, there are primarily three plans. Okay. There is Quantacle Instant, Quantacle Prime, and Quantacle Power. I, I basically advise people to go for Quantacle Power because Quantacle Power makes you a good trader end of the day. Why? Because you have something called consistency rule. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You have to follow this rule. You
power தானே சொல்லுவாங்க.
can read this rule. Okay. This is like pretty annoying rule only, bro, but it makes you a disciplined trader end of the day. Okay. At the
Yeah.
same time, Quantacle has like if you go for Maven, okay, you have profit targets like 8%, 5%, bro. In Quantacle, you have like 6%, 6%. In phase one, you make 6%, you pass the phase one. Phase two, you make 6%. And in Maven, you have news rule, okay? High impact news rule. In Quantacle, you don't have a news rule. And also,
Yeah.
if you have to get a payout, you have to at least wait 15 to 20 days. In Quantacle, you can get a payout on demand. Like whenever you want a payout, you can get a payout. So and also Quantacle is cheaper too, bro. If you want a 5K account, you can also get it for $13, bro. End of the
Oh, really? I thought Marvin. I thought
Maven.
Marvin was.
Wait. Many people think Maven is cheaper. Like actually, Maven is not cheaper compared to any other firms.
Um.
என்னடா sound டடன்.
Even the interface is shit ass, bro. Maven. I don't like Maven at all for some reason. And there are a couple of more firms also, but there's a firm called Titan Capital Markets. This is a very good prop firm, bro. They pay you for sure. If you follow their rules, they pay you for sure, bro.
Okay. Titan Capital.
Titan Capital Markets. And this is a bit costly compared to Quantacle, but like they pay you for sure, bro. So if you have some money, you can always go for Titan Capital Markets.
Okay.
These funding tips and funding next, all those guys have a lot of rules because they are old prop firms. They are like big players in this game. Okay, so whatever they say, we have to follow. But these firms are like not too old prop. These are like 1 year, 2 year prop firms. So they want to attract customers to them. So
Okay. Yeah.
that's it.
All right.
So if you want to go for the next account, you can always go for QT Power, bro. Like this is very good, bro. Like
Yeah, I will do. I'll do that next.
$15, okay.
Next week, I need to probably get a 5K. Should I start with 5K or can I go for 10K? I already blew a 5K account and a 2K account recently.
What I say is like don't go below 5K, bro. If you go below 5K, you don't have that adrenaline to like trade because like in 2.5K account, what you can earn, bro, end of the day, see, you can earn $20, $15. That's it, bro. Like if you want to go for a 5K, it's fine, bro.
Oh yeah.
Don't go too large also. Like if you go 25K, you'll have a lot of pressure in you because you have invested more. You have invested more
Yeah.
money end of the day.
Good
So go for
question.
5K, get one or
Okay.
two payouts, go for a 10K, and then go for a 50K, and then go for a 100K end of the day. That's it. If you go for a 100K, bro, you can make a living out of it, bro. End of the day, that's it.
Yeah, you could easily make a living.
You
Seriously.
can easily make a living, bro.
Uh,
India, like pretty much wherever in the world, you can make a living. Like if you go for 100K, that's it.
okay.
Easy. Okay.
All right, bro.
All right, bro. We'll just stop sharing and we'll just wind up.
All right.
Any other doubts for the final time I'm asking, like regarding trading and all this?
It's always good. We're just going to look out the rest probably with ICT later on or probably tomorrow.
I'll share you some playlists, bro. You just look onto it, bro. If there are any
There,
doubts,
there,
in the group, okay?
there is this YouTuber you mentioned earlier. I forgot his name again. Justin something.
No, wait. I'll share you his playlist in the group, okay? I'll share the playlist.
Okay.
I'll share the playlist. Okay? You just watch his
All
videos.
right.
He's good, bro. He's
All
good.
right.
21 years, 22 years old, and he's already a multi-millionaire.
Uh,
ICT concepts, all these things. I'll share you the playlist, okay? Thank you,
all right.
guys. Thank you. Tata. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bro.
Bye-bye. Tata.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.